Hey guys, it's your girl Sbahle, and I would like to thank you so much for subscribing and liking my previous video. I felt that I needed to welcome you guys on my channel formally. Yay. Okay, the song I'll be doing today is by V Buzzman. What is love? If you enjoyed the video, please thumbs up. And if you want more, then do not hesitate to subscribe. I will tell you that I love you tonight, but I know that I got time on my side. Where you going? Why you living so soon? Is there somewhere else that's better for you? What is love if you're not here with me? What is love if it's not guaranteed? What is love? It's just lips and leaves. What is love if you're not here no more? What is love if you're not really sure? What is love? What is love? I told myself I wouldn't cry when you were gone, but I know it's easier said than done. Look at me choked up now. Trying to tell you what it won't come out. What is love if you're not here with me? What is love if it's not guaranteed? What is love if it's just lips and leaves? What is love if you're not here no more? What is love if you're not really sure? What is love? What is love? Can't live without you. I can't live with you. Cause what goes around will come right back around. You won't know till it hits you. Where we're supposed to be.